I'm from Masuleh.
Never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, 'cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about the secrets true. I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar, but I like it. We on the floor, in my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about the secrets you.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are in Masuleh, a very old village, a spectacular cultural landscape from 11th century. We show you here today. Masuleh is a village in Fuman County, Gilan province. At the 2006 census, its population was 554 individuals from 180 families. Although it has been written that the community was established around 10 AD, the province of Gilan has a long story. The first village of Masuleh was established around 11th century, 6 kilometers northwest of the current city, and it's called Old Masuleh. People moved from Old Masuleh to the current city because of the attacks from neighboring communities. Masuleh's architecture is unique. The buildings have been built into the mountain and are interconnected. Courtyards and roofs both serve as a pedestrian area similar to a street. You should wear chador, which is a hijab, for entrance in these holy places. Okay, let's visit. The first, it's a hall for praying. Very positive place. It has a nice atmosphere. And let's visit the mausoleum, holy shrine, and it has a very nice marble. It's so exquisite, very nice detailed place. And the religious man who buried here, it's made of gold and silver, very detailed and spectacular, and very nice things. So it's a common place for Iranian to common for worship. They touch the metal box and pray, put their face on it. It's a ceremony for worship for such places like this. The ceiling is so simple, just some stucco, very nice. Marble at the bottom.
The kids learning lessons. He's shy. بله بله درستون بخونید. Very nice place for doing lessons.
Masuleh is located in the heart of Iranian forest. Iranian forest, as you can see behind me, is one of the oldest forests in the world. So they say it goes back to 10 million years ago. Fantastic architecture of Masuleh, popularly known as the yard of the building above, is the roof of the building below, on the exterior parts of the most buildings, which is for the visibility when it's foggy. Because Masuleh located in a highland, and most time of the year it's foggy, so they built this building with really yellow clay.
So much to the poltergeist.